Installing Fedora Linux in your laptop or desktop, first of all come into Google and search for Fedora and click on the first website, which is fedora.org, and from here just download this workstation. Now here, as you can see, there have many types of files, so just select this type of ISO file, which is x8664.live ISO. Okay, because I have Intel, if you have Intel or AMD processor, you need to download this type of file, or if you using any types of Chromebook or any types of ARM based processor, so you need to download this type of image. So in my case, I just download this image, so click on this download and make sure that do not download just beta image, because it have many types of bugs present. Okay, so just download this stable version. In my case this is 37, but in your case it may be 40 or above something. Okay, so just download on it and it will download within few seconds. As you can see, it started download. So I have already downloaded, so I just cancel it. Now again open Google. Now in the Google, search for Rufus, because click on Rufus and click on off downloads, and from here just download Rufus 3.19 exe and click on start download. So the file is completed. Now insert your pen drive into your desktop or laptop, right? As you can see, this is my pen drive. Now what we will do, we will flash this Fedora file using this Rufus software. So right click on it and click on run as administrator, click on yes, and now as you can see, it selects my 64 GB pen drive. Now click on this select ISO and select the Fedora ISO file. Now this is the main important section, which is partition scheme. Now if you type here, let's say disk management, and if I expand this and if I click on the disk 0 and right click on it and click on properties, click on volumes, so it shows this have GPT partition. In your case it may be shown MBR partition. So whatever it shows, we need to flush in that way. So it shows the GPT partition. So for this we will select the partition as GPT. Okay, so and you does not need to do any types of funky stuff, and click on start, click on OK and click on OK. And as you can see, it just started formatting all of the things from your pen drive. And the most important thing I want to say, which is, if your pen drive have any types of movies, songs or any types of files, so first of all backup all of the files first, and then you should do the process, because while it doing this process, your pen drive will be formatted fast, completely formatted. So make sure that your all the pen drive files are already in the backup mode. Okay, or you backup anywhere. So we will wait for few seconds. So as you can see, it have already finished all the things. Okay, it shows the ready button, so close this file. Now what you will do, you will need to eject your pen drive and you need to go to your boot menu. Okay, so now for installing the Linux, first of all you need to insert your pen drive and you should shut down your PC. Okay, now click on your start button of your laptop or PC. Okay, and click on F12 button. Now in my case F12 is the for the boot menu. In your case it may be different, so make sure what you do. Okay, so as you can see, it detect my pen drive, which is vendor something, and now click on enter and it shows what you want to do. Click on enter and it will start Fedora in your system. So wait for a few seconds. Okay, so it shows that our Fedora is now live. So first of all you need to click on try Fedora, because we will first try Fedora, and if it all the things will be okay, so we will install that. So as you can see, I click on the settings menu from the right corner and it's open up the dialog box for us. Now Fedora is very good Linux distribution, I always think that, and it's doing pretty much very okay. Now so for installing Fedora, just click on this activities tab and click on this install Fedora drive. Okay, and it will start to install Fedora. Okay, so it's try to select the language, so I will choose English and I will choose English US. Okay, and click on this continue button. Okay, so as you can see, it detects the keyboard as US and the time is Asia / Kolkata, and click on the installation drive. On this installation destination, select your drive and click on done. Now from the checkbox it shows that what you want to do. Now click on reclaim space, and I want to delete all the necessary stuff because I don't want to install Fedora into a drive. I just want to delete everything from my laptop or desktop, and I will clean install Fedora. So I will click on this delete all button. But remember one thing, if you want to install Fedora in your particular drive, so select the particular drive as their volume, okay, and install this. But I want to delete everything, so I will click on this delete all button and click on preserve all. Click on again delete all button and then click on reclaim space. So as you can see, it shows that it's automatically detected the drive. Now from the Wi-Fi icon, just turn off the Wi-Fi because it will not download the fancy stuff, and click on begin installation. So as you can see, it started installing Fedora in my local system, and within couple of seconds it will install. So as you can see, our Fedora installation has been completed. Now click on this finish installation button. Okay, and you need to shut down your PC. So just click on power off button and click on power off. So as you can see, it shows okay, fine, goodbye, and this is your Fedora is going to shut down. Okay, now remove your pen drive from your PC and just click on start button to manually start your Fedora. Okay, and let's see what happened. So as you can see, it shows the logo of my laptop. In your case, it shows directly Fedora project, and as you can see, Dell shows okay, Fedora I am in. Okay, so this is very important step. So this is the welcome screen of Fedora. Okay, so click on start setup. Okay, okay, make sure guys that your laptop or desktop is connected with a mouse, because I don't know why my touchpad does not working, but don't worry, I will show how to fix this. So click on start setup and click on next. Click on enable third party repos. Click on next. Click on skip, and you need to enter your full name and username. So as you can see, I have enrolled my full name and the username for this PC, and click on next, and you need to set password. So I have set my password to PC and click on next. Click on start using Fedora Linux, and it will open up the screen for us. Okay, click on no thanks. Now for enabling your touchpad of your laptop, go to here, click on settings. Now from here, click on this mouse and touchpad option and click on this tap on click. Just enable this thing. Now what will happen, just I will eject my mouse, and if I click here touchpad C, I click on activities, and if I click on the Firefox, so I click on Firefox, as you can see it just working very much fine, right? If I open up our website, which is microcodes sorry, microcodes dot in. Okay, so as you can see, our website is here, microcodes.in. Click on it. So as you can see, it's open. If I just scroll, so as you can see, it just scrolling all the things. Okay, everything is working very much fine. Okay, everything is working very much fine. So thank you guys for watching this video.